If you need an easy way to instantly decorate any party space, this 33-piece set made it so simple, and it can be used for so much more than just Cinco de Mayo. I was gifted this from Labrostar, and it was the perfect setup for my daughter's birthday. This is a 33-piece decoration set, and it comes with 3 different garlands, a bunch of these paper fans, lots of those cute little paper pom-poms, and those fun hanging spirals. One of my garlands is missing from my setup because I completely let it get tangled up. This was 100% user error. I wasn't careful at all when I pulled it out of the bag. Had I been a little bit more thoughtful when I pulled this out, it would have looked great. Like I said, I used this for my daughter's birthday, so it's not just good for Cinco de Mayo. This is great for any bright, fun party setup. It only took me maybe 15 to 20 minutes to set everything up. I really like how bright and colorful everything is, and you can basically decorate your whole party with this one set, and you barely need to think about it. If you need quick party decor that really looks like you put a lot of thought into it, this is a great set to grab.